What if Samsung is about to drop its most refined foldable yet, one that finally fixes the biggest problems users have complained about for years? The Galaxy Z Fold 8 leaks are here, and they reveal a device that feels more like a complete upgrade rather than just another iteration. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 specifications have now surfaced, thanks to tipster Anthony. The details were shared on X, and they give us a solid early look at what Samsung is preparing. According to Anthony, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 will feature an 8-inch main display along with a 6.5-inch cover screen. Both panels are expected to support a 120Hz dynamic AMOLED refresh rate. While LTPO technology was not specifically mentioned, it is likely included. This means the size and refresh rate remain the same as the Galaxy Z Fold 7. The main display is also said to use dual-layer UTG, or ultra-thin glass. The device will reportedly be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy chipset. This is an overclocked version of the standard Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, similar to what Samsung has already used in the Galaxy S26 series. Samsung is also said to be working on Creaseless display technology, which could even be supplied to Apple for its rumored foldable iPhone. Based on Samsung's typical launch timeline, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to arrive before Apple introduces its first foldable device. In terms of memory and storage, the Fold 8 is expected to come with either 12GB or 16GB of RAM, along with storage options going up to 1TB. The camera setup reportedly includes a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. Despite a thinner and lighter design compared to the Fold 7, the device is rumored to include a larger 5,000 mAh battery, along with 4.5-watt fast charging. If true, this would be the first time Samsung brings both a bigger battery and faster charging to its large foldable lineup. The leak does not mention pricing details. For reference, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 launched at $2,000 or 2,100 euros, which was already a $100 or euro increase over the previous generation. A brand new wide version of Samsung's Foldable may also be on the way, and the latest leak is revealing some interesting details about its display, chipset, and battery. Samsung's rumored widescreen foldable has now surfaced with a few additional details. A new leak indicates that the device may feature a 7.6-inch inner display, a flagship-level processor, and a relatively large battery. According to information shared by Tipster Digital Chat Station, the upcoming wide foldable is expected to run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. This would place its performance in the same category as the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Galaxy Z Flip 8. The device is also said to include a dual-cell battery with a typical capacity of approximately 4,800 mAh. The leak divides this battery into two separate cells, one rated at 2,267 mAh and the other at 2,393 mAh, resulting in a combined minimum capacity of roughly 4,660 mAh. Dual-cell battery systems are widely used in foldable smartphones. Alongside the regular model, there are reports of a wider variant that could use a 4:3 aspect ratio. The internal display is said to measure 7.6 inches, which would actually be 0.4 inches smaller than the Fold 7, but the key difference would be in the overall proportions. The outer screen on this wider version is rumored to be 5.4 inches, mainly designed for quick tasks such as checking messages or viewing notifications. Moving to a 4:3 aspect ratio could make the device better for watching videos, which has been one of the weaker points of the Fold 7. The current square-like design often creates noticeable letterboxing when playing video content, and this new format could help reduce that issue. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 removed the S Pen in order to keep the device thinner, but that decision was not popular with many users. With the Z Fold 8, Samsung might bring the stylus back, which would be good news for people who use their phones for note-taking, sketching, or precise navigation. If Samsung can add the stylus without increasing the thickness of the device, it could attract a wider group of users, especially those who want productivity features while still keeping the phone portable. And last year, several speculative renders gave us an early idea of what this foldable smartphone might look like. Now, thanks to One UI 9, we are getting our clearest look yet at the wide Galaxy Z Fold. Recent One UI 9 test builds created for Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Galaxy Z Flip 8 have surfaced, and within those builds are a couple of system animations. These animations provide what appears to be our first somewhat official preview of the wide Galaxy Z Fold design. The animations themselves do not reveal many details, but their presence inside the One UI 9 builds does confirm that Samsung is actively working on a wide Galaxy Z Fold. That said, This does not necessarily guarantee that the device will launch this year or even at all, since development plans can always change. The tech world is buzzing right now because the legendary leaker Ice Universe just dropped a massive update that confirms our wildest dreams. From a professional perspective, he's revealed that Samsung has finally cracked the code. He's seen the display and says it's not just free of creases, but the quality is on a whole different level. Even when you tilt the phone at an angle, that annoying dip in the middle is completely gone. He's speculating that Samsung is using their most advanced M14 OLED materials, which means the colors are going to be more vibrant and the whites will be purer than anything we've seen on a foldable to date. But here is the real kicker from the report. This incredible flawless screen is being integrated into both the Galaxy Z Fold8 and a brand new wide fold variant. We are looking at a future where the display quality finally matches the premium price tag, eliminating the green or blue tints we used to see at angles. This is the moment foldables go mainstream and leave the competition in the dust. The revolution is creaseless, and it starts with the Fold 8, is expected to introduce a new privacy-focused display technology called Flex Magic Pixel, which was first introduced with the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This is not just a software privacy filter or a basic screen dimming feature. Instead, it represents a next-generation OLED innovation that is integrated directly into the display hardware itself. Flex Magic Pixel works by controlling light emission at the individual pixel level. This allows the screen to intelligently narrow viewing angles whenever sensitive content is detected, rather than placing a universal privacy layer across the entire display. The system operates dynamically. The main inner display of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to fully support this advanced capability. What makes this technology notable is the way it functions intelligently. Instead of treating the entire display identically, it can apply privacy protection only to specific areas of the screen. For example, when the device is fully unfolded, it may narrow viewing angles across the entire inner panel or only in certain sections where private information such as messages or passwords appears. By precisely controlling how light exits each individual pixel, we can create a high-resolution image. The display limits side visibility while keeping the front-facing view bright, clear, and color-accurate. Samsung originally presented this innovation alongside the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra as part of its broader push toward AI-assisted display technology. On a foldable device like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, the feature becomes even more meaningful. Foldable phones are frequently used in public environments, and their larger inner displays naturally raise greater privacy concerns compared to standard smartphones. Leaked One UI 9 files discovered by Android Authority have revealed design images of 3 upcoming foldable devices: the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, and a completely new device called the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold Wide. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you watched, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I truly appreciate your support. See you in the next video. Peace out.